Hey everybody, Monday, July 1st. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the week. Tomorrow I'll do the monthly chart for July. We're flat here, moving through Sunday all the way through Monday till about 11. Then we start to push up. We don't get even up to the 10 line though, but we do have slight upward bias pressure here. And then when we get to Tuesday evening, it flips down. The downtrend actually begins about 2 o'clock on Tuesday and goes down into Wednesday, where it bottoms out about 8 a.m. and then it's rising up toward the zero line into the evening Wednesday, then down and bottoming out Thursday at about 1400, flat through Friday till 6, 7 a.m. and then up for the rest of the day. So that area here, midnight Thursday morning all the way through Friday at 6 a.m. is down below the 10 line. So we're slightly bullish to Tuesday, then we're basically down most of the rest of the week and a little upward push for the day session on Friday. Blue line spikes, we have first important spike is here at 1300 this afternoon. And then we don't get anything approaching the 10 lines until Wednesday, but that's 1700 at the quiet time. Then the last important downside spike of the week will be here around 2000 on Thursday evening. And both of the lines have bottomed out together at that point. And then the blue line starts back up into Friday. So that's the look at the astro pressure for the week. I'll come back tomorrow and do the monthly chart for July.